Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to swap tokens on Hyperliquid. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. What is Hyperliquid? Hyperliquid is a high-performance decentralized exchange built on its own Layer 1 blockchain. It is known for its low latent trading and zero gas fee for trades. Now how can you swap tokens on Hyperliquid? Open your browser, head to app.hyperliquid.xyz, tap on connect at the top, choose WalletConnect to see all supported wallets. We'll be using Trust Wallet. Now approve connection in your wallet. Connect, and let's go back. So we have successfully connected our wallet. The next step is to fund your account. Now let's fund our account. Tap on account at the bottom, then tap on deposit. You need to establish connection to be able to deposit. This is a gas-free connection. Just tap on establish connection. Just tap on sign. So now you need to choose your assets. Which asset do you want to deposit? We are depositing USDC. Select your chain. We'll be using Arbitrum. Then input the amount you want to deposit. Let's deposit 15.5. So just tap on deposit. You need to approve in your wallet. Just approve. Now let's go back. So we have successfully deposited. Now let's transfer the USDC from Perp to spot. Just tap on Perp to spot. Then input the amount maximum, then tap on confirm. You need to approve in your wallet. Sign. Now let's go back. So we have successfully transferred the USDC from Perp to spot. Now tap on the trade tab. So this is the spot tab where you swap between different tokens. Tap on the drop down icon to see all tokens available on spot. Just select any one of your choice. Let's swap USDC to Solana. So I'll just tap on Solana. Now we have several other types, but market and limit are mostly used. Market order lets you buy instantly at the current price, while limit lets you set a price and the trade only happens when the token gets to that price. We'll be using market order. Now input the amount, then tap on place order. Buy. So we have successfully bought Solana with the USDC we deposited. You can see the value at the bottom. You can see the USDC value and the Solana value. You can also see the remaining USDC. So we swap just 13.5, so we have 1.9 USDC left. So we've bought a token. Now how can you sell it? Just switch to the sell tab, then input your amount. You can see the available Solana there, 0.1 Solana. You can choose if you want to trade 100%, just input 100%, then tap on place order. Sell. So we've successfully sold. Now you can see the Solana is back to USDC. We now have 15.35 USDC. The process is the same for all the tokens. Just select the token you want to swap. Choose if you want to use market or limit order. Input your size, then place order. The process is the same. So that's how to swap tokens on Hyperliquid. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.